Hi, my name's Tom. I just took a chance on this 6-pack of trimmer replacement line. It's for my Black & Decker trimmer. You check the exact sizing. It runs a whole bunch of different trimmers, but it comes with 6 wheels, and they're all pretty full of line. That looks pretty standard here. You do get an extra spring in case you've lost that, and you even get an extra end in case you've lost that. I'm gonna go ahead and put one of these on and go give it a try. So this is my Black & Decker LST 400. It's an older model. I've had it for years. It works great. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the end off here. Now I still have my end and my little spring, so I'm good. I don't need that extra one, but having an extra one included is a nice feature. And then I'm just gonna pop out my old spool. This is pretty much used up, gone. Here's a new one. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and take my spool. I've got the little ratchet side gonna go down. I have the line that's kind of loose. The line is gonna go through the hole on this side here. So I'm gonna feed it through. And I'm gonna kind of pull it through there. So there it is. I pull a little bit. I might have a little extra when I first put it in, that's fine. I'm gonna pull and I'm gonna put this down right onto the teeth. Okay, it's on the teeth. My line's a little bit long, but that's okay. And now I'm gonna take my end and I just go ahead and click that in. I have a teeth here and teeth here. And let's see. There we go, it's good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. Just make sure it'll probably cut that little line off here. Here we go. All right, it's working. The line's still not quite cut. Yeah, it could be cut one more time. But you can see it works pretty well. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot on the weeds. So there we go. I just spent about 10 minutes going around the yard, just kind of cutting all the long grass and some of the weeds, and it works great. It's just like a regular Black & Decker roll of line. I like the fact you get 6 rolls in one package. That's great. And you get the extra end and the spring just in case you've lost it. I've never lost it. Obviously, this is the original one, but that's fine. Good to have an extra part around hanging around. So yeah, highly recommended. Works well.